Chicken fajitas for dinner. I wing life, I wing parenting, but I refuse to wing dinner. So let's make dinner together, my friends. Wow, chicken fajitas. No seasoning on your food? That should be illegal. Okay, washed my hands. Girlfriend, I already said I have mommy brain. Sorry. You trying to add concussion points over here? Have kids, they said. It's fun, they said. Who said that? I want to know who said it. I have questions for you. Okay? I have questions. What's fun? Add these babies in. Skin on top. Don't waste the seasoning. Don't waste anything. I wasn't talking to you, honey. Pico the gallo. Why did I just do that? What? Just squared in my eyeball. What's that saying? Sleep with one eye open? Fresh. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Girls, dinner's ready. Shut the front door and get out of here.
Get out.
Get out.
Like, who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
No. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's it.
That's it. I'm gonna go eat now. Bye. Look at this. I think I nailed this.